Do you want to earn money online in 2025, but you're not really sure where to start? Imagine turning a skill or your passion into something reliable that provides you with an income stream at the comfort of your home. Today, I'm going to show you the right way for beginners to make money online. No scams, just proven ways or proven strategies that work. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Wangoi Mwithathi and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about personal investments, smart money moves, and digital entrepreneurship, among other things. In today's video, I'm breaking down how beginners can start making money online in 2025. Of course, using methods that are effective, sustainable, and scalable. We'll cover things like freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, digital products, and more. So, if you're ready to transform your online presence into a revenue stream, then you better stick around. Before we dive in, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips on building yourself financially or even personally. So let's start with the basics. What are the most effective ways for beginners? I'll talk about proven online income methods. So let's explore the key methods that beginners can use. 1. Freelancing and remote work. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money online, in case you didn't know. I'm sure you've heard of platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms allow you to monetize your skills, be it writing, graphic design, programming, or being a virtual assistant. So, build a professional profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. Here, consistency and quality will build your reputation over time. So the earlier you start, the better. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is where you earn commissions by promoting products or even services through something like your website, blog, or social media. Affiliate marketing is excellent for passive income once you build an audience. So, join reputable affiliate programs, create quality content that adds value, and of course, use SEO strategies to attract organic traffic. Okay? 3. Content creation. Something like blogging, YouTubing, or even podcasting. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or even podcasts can generate ad revenue for you. It can get you sponsorships and affiliate income. And this is because it's all about building your brand and your audience. Okay? Some of the actionable steps that you should take are you need to focus on a niche. Find your niche. Okay? Be consistent, and once you've started, engage with your audience. While creating content, optimize your content for SEO to attract more viewers or readers, or even listeners if it's a podcast. 4. Selling digital products, and even something like an online course. If you have expertise in a certain subject, consider creating digital products, for example, ebooks, courses, or printables. This is a scalable way to earn more money once the product is developed. So research on your niche or whatever subject that you're good at, develop high quality content, and use platforms to sell your products. So find a platform that can work for you and sell your products there. Number 5, dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without holding inventory. Okay? This method can be very profitable with the right marketing and the right product selection. Because if you choose the wrong product, you're not going to be selling anything. Okay? So choose a niche, set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, of course. It is going to cost you something small. Okay? These things are not free. So, and invest in digital marketing. This way, you'll be able to drive traffic and sales. But the key to success is building the right mindset. And of course, having a consistent strategy. If you have a wrong mindset, this won't work. Okay? If you're not consistent, it won't work. So have a strategy in place. So, no matter which method you choose, you have to be financially literate. And this is because understanding how money works and how to reinvest your earnings is key to building long-term wealth online. So empower yourself with knowledge, always track your progress, and adjust your strategies as you learn. Okay? Of course, when you're starting, you have no experience. So if you give yourself like 6 months or even a year, and you track your progress, I'm sure you will have learned a lot. Okay? So as you learn, adjust. Keep learning through books, online courses, and reputable financial news so that you're able to stay ahead, especially in this digital economy. Okay? Now, let's finish up with some final thoughts and the next steps that you should take. You see, making money online as a beginner, especially in 2025, is all about choosing the right method. Okay? May it be freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, or e-commerce. You have to choose the right method and you have to stay committed to your growth. Okay? Remember, success online takes time. So if you're looking to grow within a short period of time, then maybe this is not for you, unless you're really good at it, which then it means this video is just not for you because it's for beginners. So, for you to be successful online, it will take you some time, it will take you effort, and of course, consistency. But with the right strategies, you will build a sustainable income stream. Okay? Just be patient with yourself. Sawa? They say Rome wasn't built in a day. Okay? And always remember, there's always competition out there. So you have to be one of the best. You have to be very careful when it comes to picking your niche. Sawa? Bottom line, always be hungry for more knowledge. Okay? The more you keep up with online news about online income methods, the more money you'll be able to make. Okay? So be hungry for more knowledge or more information. Well, in the meantime, which of these methods are you willing to try? Let me know in the comment section. I hope this gets to help someone. That's it for us today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.